Hope you are doing well. Welcome to AppCoder. I am Satyendra and today I am going to show you how we can present alert or action sheet in our iOS application. So let me show you the example first. With the help of example, you can easily relate what we are going to achieve in this tutorial. So click here, and this is the alert box with two buttons, one OK button and one cancel button. Cancel is a destructive action. So let's start the coding part. Going to change view color. You can give any color. Now we need to add button here. Give it constraint horizontally and vertically container. I'm going to customize my button. Change the title. Click me. Increase the font size. And change font style to bold. And text color is white. You can customize it according to your need. Now we need to create button action. So IB action and function, button name, click here. So this is our button. We need to attach this button to our storyboard, and this is our button, and the event is touch up insight. Let's create a function for showing the alert. Function and function name show alert. Now we need to create a variable. Let alert UI alert controller, and we need to give title to our alert box and message and the style. So you can give any title. In our case it will be app coder, and message you can type anything, any string, hello world. Okay, and our alert style is controller style is alert. And now we need to present our alert controller. So in this case we will need to pass alert animated true and completion will be nil. Let's run the project by command R. And if you want to learn about table view, how to load data and anything about table view, you can watch my previous video. So let's click on this button. This is not working because we need to call this function here. Now run the project by command R. Click here. So this is a simple alert box. Now we need to add button to our alert box. So add alert dot add action, and the action type is UI alert action, and we need to set our button title. So I'll give it to OK. So now we need to set our button style. So in iOS we have three type of styles in our alert buttons. First one is cancel, that indicates that you never want to change and anything with this action, and default is default action for the alert button. And destructive indicate that you want to want some change in our app, and it will show in red color. So we'll give it to default. And for the alert handler, you can put anything, handler, and the code is, we are going to print some statement here. So I am here. Now please run the project and show what's the changes. So click here and you can see here is one button with OK title. You can add more title here, so copy and paste here, so it will be cancel. And the style type of is destructive, and change it to destructive clicked or cancel clicked. Cancel, cancel clicked. Okay, now we need to run the project. So you can see now we have two buttons in our alert box, one for cancel and another one for OK. Now we are going to create action sheet also. So function and show action sheet. We can copy the code, above code, and paste here, and just change the style alert to action sheet. Now see the change. Run the project by command R, and we need to call this function over here, and now run the project. So now you can see when we click on button, action sheet is present. And let's change cancel button style destructive to cancel. Now run the project, click here, and as you can see we have a separate space for cancel button. In action sheet we always have a separate space for buttons which have cancel type of style. So that is it for today guys. Please like the video, do subscribe the channel, comment if you have any query. Bye bye.